In a quiet town in Ohio, Emily's life was unlike that of most 8-year-olds. Born with a rare neuromuscular condition, her muscles were too weak to support walking. Since infancy, Emily relied on a wheelchair to move, watching other children run and play with a mixture of hope and frustration. Her mother, Sarah, was her constant pillar of strength. Despite endless medical appointments, therapies, and mounting bills, Sarah never gave up on her daughter's dream of walking. Every night she would sit by Emily's bedside, whispering words of encouragement, hoping one day Emily would stand on her own. Sarah worked 2 jobs to support their modest life, struggling to cover therapy costs that promised small improvements. Specialists suggested various treatments, but none guaranteed success. Still, Emily's eyes sparkled with determination. She never complained about her wheelchair or the challenges it brought. Instead, she focused on the simple joys: drawing, reading stories about heroes, and dreaming of running outside freely. But deep down, Sarah knew how much her daughter longed to feel the ground beneath her feet, to take steps without help. Just a few blocks away was Jake's modest auto repair shop. Known for his skills as a mechanic, Jake was also respected for his compassionate nature. Unlike other mechanics, he had an unusual hobby: inventing small devices that could help people with disabilities live easier lives. His cluttered workshop was a mix of car parts and tools, alongside blueprints and half-finished prototypes. Jake had seen many struggles in life, including his own family's hardships, which fueled his desire to make a difference. When Sarah approached him with her daughter's story, he listened intently. Sarah explained Emily's condition and the limits imposed by her weak muscles. She spoke of her daughter's courage, but also of the heartbreak in watching her unable to walk. Jake's eyes softened. He didn't have medical training, but his experience in mechanics and design gave him confidence to try. He promised Sarah he would do everything he could to create a device that might help Emily take steps, even if small or assisted. Sarah left his shop with a flicker of hope she hadn't felt in years. Jake got to work immediately. He began researching medical devices and locomotion aids, blending this knowledge with his mechanical expertise. He sketched designs that were lightweight but sturdy, ensuring the device would support Emily's fragile frame without adding strain. He tested different materials, balancing durability and comfort. Days turned into weeks as Jake crafted the walking aid, often staying late into the night, fueled by determination and the thought of helping a little girl change her life. Each small success kept him motivated, and each failure taught him what to improve. Meanwhile, Sarah and Emily prepared for the moment when the device would finally arrive. Emily was curious, hopeful, but cautious. She had been disappointed before by things that didn't work or were too painful. Sarah reassured her gently, reminding her that no matter what happened, she was proud of her bravery. Emily's school friends heard about the project and cheered her on, sending drawings and letters of encouragement. The community quietly rallied behind the family, inspired by their courage and Jake's unusual generosity. The day Jake finished the device, he invited Sarah and Emily to his workshop. The machine looked intricate but friendly, a combination of braces, lightweight metal supports, and soft straps designed to hold Emily's legs and torso in place while allowing movement. Jake explained carefully how it worked, demonstrating the balance and control it offered. Emily listened wide-eyed as Sarah smiled with cautious optimism. They knew this was only the beginning, but it felt like a giant step toward the future. Emily hesitated as she was fitted into the device for the first time. Her muscles trembled with unfamiliar effort, but Jake's steady hands and Sarah's encouraging voice kept her grounded. Step by step she moved forward, each motion shaky but real. Tears welled in Sarah's eyes as she saw her daughter's determination in motion. The entire workshop seemed to hold its breath. When Emily took a few Steps on her own, the moment felt electric, a triumph born of hope, love, and relentless effort. After that first trial, Emily's confidence blossomed. She practiced daily with the walking device, slowly building strength and balance. The pain and frustration were still there, but now they were mingled with a fierce determination. Sarah took videos to document every milestone, knowing these moments were precious. Jake continued to tweak the device, making it lighter, easier to use, and more comfortable. For the first time in a long time, the future looked brighter, filled with possibilities Emily had only dreamed of before. News of Emily's first steps spread quickly throughout the small Ohio town, capturing the hearts of everyone who heard the story. Local reporters visited Jake's workshop, eager to share the incredible tale of a humble mechanic who had built a device that gave an 8-year-old girl the chance to walk. Jake was shy about the attention, never seeking fame or recognition. For him, the joy was in seeing Emily smile and take steps on her own. The community's response was overwhelming, with neighbors, teachers, and strangers all expressing their support and admiration. Emily continued to practice every day, determined to improve. Each time she strapped into the walking device, she felt a little stronger, a little more balanced. The device had become more than just a tool. It was a symbol of hope. Sarah witnessed her daughter's confidence grow with every passing day. What once seemed like an impossible dream was slowly becoming reality. Emily began to explore the world differently, no longer confined to a wheelchair. She started reaching for new experiences with excitement and courage. Jake didn't stop with Emily's device. Inspired by her progress, he began designing improved versions tailored to other children in the community with similar needs. His workshop became a hub of creativity and kindness as families came to him for help. Jake worked tirelessly, balancing his regular mechanic duties with this new mission. Local businesses and residents donated materials and funds to support his cause. The town had rallied around Jake and Emily, united by a shared belief in the power of compassion and innovation to change lives. As weeks turned into months, Emily's strides became steadier and more confident. She began walking longer distances without needing Jake's hands or Sarah's constant support. The smile on her face grew wider with each step, reflecting the freedom she had gained. The local school adapted to her new mobility, and Emily eagerly rejoined playground activities she had only watched before. Her classmates cheered her on, proud of their friend who had overcome so much. Sarah couldn't hide her tears of joy, knowing her daughter's life had been transformed. On a bright, sunny afternoon, the town gathered at the local park for a small celebration honoring Emily's achievements. Children ran and played around her as she walked freely, laughing and enjoying the moment. Sarah pulled Jake into a heartfelt embrace, overwhelmed by gratitude for the mechanic who had made such a difference. Emily's first independent steps had not only changed her life, but had sparked hope throughout the community. It was a testament to the power of love, determination, and the kindness of a stranger who became a hero. Jake's efforts didn't go unnoticed beyond their town. Nearby cities learned about his work through news stories and word of mouth. Invitations came for Jake to speak at events and share his ideas about low-cost, customized mobility devices, but he remained humble, always emphasizing that it was Emily's courage that had inspired him. His dream was simple: to help as many children as possible walk and live fuller lives. The story of Emily and Jake became a beacon of hope for families facing similar challenges across the country. Meanwhile, Emily's life blossomed in ways no one had imagined. Walking opened doors to new opportunities. She joined dance classes, attended summer camps, and made friends who saw her not as a child with limitations, but as someone full of potential. Sarah watched with pride as her daughter's independence grew, knowing that the hardest days were behind them. Each step Emily took was a victory over fear and uncertainty, a reminder of the strength found in perseverance and support. Jake continued to innovate, using feedback from families to improve his devices. He collaborated with local hospitals and physical therapists, combining his mechanical knowledge with medical expertise. The mechanics workshop expanded to include volunteers and engineers who shared his passion. Together, they created a small non-profit organization focused on developing affordable mobility aids for children in need. Jake's dream was no longer just about one girl, it was about changing the world for many children with disabilities. The community remained tightly knit, celebrating each new success story. Emily's progress inspired others to advocate for better accessibility and resources for children with disabilities. Schools implemented inclusive programs, local government provided grants for assistive technology, and neighbors organized fundraisers to support ongoing projects. The spirit of unity and compassion grew stronger, showing how one person's kindness could ripple through an entire town. Sarah and Jake became symbols of hope and determination, their friendship a reminder that extraordinary things happen when people come together. One evening, as Emily practiced her steps in the workshop, Jake watched with pride. The walking device had evolved into a sleek, lightweight apparatus that moved naturally with her. Emily's laughter filled the room, mixing with the sound of tools and soft encouragement. Sarah stood nearby, tears in her eyes, but a smile on her face. They knew this journey was far from over, but the progress made was a triumph against all odds. Together they dreamed of a future where no child would be held back by physical limitations. Emily's story became an inspiration far beyond her town. Social media shared videos of her first steps, spreading hope to families worldwide. Messages poured in from parents grateful for the encouragement and ideas Jake's inventions offered. The mechanic who once fixed cars had become a pioneer in adaptive technology, proving that innovation could come from unexpected places. And through it all, Emily walked on stronger, braver, and ready to face whatever the future held, surrounded by love and support.